Hey guys, I'm Fontana Monique, and I am back to do a video on how to boil your bundles and wigs, 36 ounces, so it's a pretty nice size amount of silicone mix. And the wigs I have is 2 wigs that I've worn. 4 bundles here that I will be boiling, and I have my 2 wigs. These wigs are my favorite, and because of the color and because of me bleaching them, you can see they're kind of busted a little bit. We have the shampoo and conditioner that I've already used. Thick, it's just like mayonnaise. One thing I do know, if you put your wig or your bundles in the microwave, just make sure there is no metal on the hair at all, anywhere. Turn both of my pans on and get that fire going. And for the one that's in the microwave, I'm gonna just use a regular size bowl. Use 1 tablespoon of the silicone mix and put some water in it. I'm going to take one of my bundles and stick it right in there. I'm gonna keep checking it because I'm not used to this. Make sure that it's not over. It smells so good.
And you want to make sure that your bundle that's in the microwave, you want to make sure it's really hot.
And then go ahead and rinse your bundle out with cool water. And then we're going to just rinse it out. Cold water. So now I'm just adding my bundles into the heat. And again, if it's not synthetic hair, it should be fine. I put my wigs in, I thought I was recording, and it looks like it's sticking a little bit. So I'm gonna just turn this one down. This one here is a deep wave. We'll see how that changes after it's been boiled. So now I'm just rinsing my bundles with cool water. Some of this is dirt coming off the hair, and then some of it is just color. So the same thing with the wigs. the last one here is the bundle from the microwave, and as you can still see it, didn't lose any of the pattern. Here's what I use. I got them from Walmart. However, you can just buy some from AliExpress or Amazon. They can be a little bit pricey.